Ladies and gentlemen, we'll now have the national anthem.
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता। पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड़ उत्कल बंग, विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्छल जलधि तरंग। तव शुभ नामे जागे, तव शुभ आशीष मागे, गाहे तव जय गाथा। जनगण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता। जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे।
May I request all the honorable dignitaries to kindly take their seat. Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, kindly take your seat. Thank you so much. Honorable dignitaries on the dais, ladies and gentlemen, a very good morning to one and all. It gives me immense pleasure to welcome you all to this 15th convocation ceremony of Dr. D.Y. Patil Vidyapeeth, Pimpri, Pune. The convocation program will begin with the rendering of the Vidyapeeth Geet.
जाणीवा नवीन स्वप्ने ओढी जीवन गान नवे। उजळाया जनजीवन अवघे नवे ज्ञान विज्ञान हवे, नवे ज्ञान विज्ञान हवे।
मायबोलीची अक्षर मुद्रा मना मनावर उमटावी,
संतवाणीची अमृतधारा संवादातून बरसावी। शुभ शक्तीने तरुणाईच्या विश्व नव्याने घडवावे। उजळाया जनजीवन अवघे नवे ज्ञान विज्ञान हवे, नवे ज्ञान विज्ञान हवे।
परंपरेतील सत्वशीलता कृतज्ञतेने जपायची,
दैववाद ग्रहण धारणा मना मनातून पुसायची। श्रमयोगाने परिश्रमाने विद्या वैभव जोडावे। उजळाया जनजीवन अवघे नवे ज्ञान विज्ञान हवे, नवे ज्ञान विज्ञान हवे।
विनम्रतेसह विज्ञानाचा जीवनात सहभाग हवा,
संघर्षाला नवरचनेच्या संकल्पाचा ध्यास हवा। ज्ञान हेच सामर्थ्य आपुला सत्कर्मातून प्रगटावे। उजळाया जनजीवन अवघे नवे ज्ञान विज्ञान हवे, नवे ज्ञान विज्ञान हवे। डीपीयूच्या साक्षीने देव ज्ञान विज्ञान नवे। डीपीयूच्या साक्षीने देव ज्ञान विज्ञान नवे। डीपीयूच्या साक्षीने देव ज्ञान विज्ञान नवे। डीपीयूच्या साक्षीने देव ज्ञान विज्ञान नवे।
Ladies and gentlemen, all these musical performances were given by the students of the Dr. D.Y. Patil School of Liberal Art. May I now request Honorable Chancellor of Dr. D.Y. Patil Vidyapeeth, Pimpri, Pune, Dr. P.D. Patil sir, to light the ceremonial lamp of the 15th convocation of the Vidyapeeth. I would like to request the Chief Guest, Honorable ex-President of India, to please light the ceremonial lamp of the 15th convocation ceremony. Thank you very much, sir. Thank you. May I now invite the Registrar of the Vidyapeeth, Dr. Narendra Kadu, sir.
Honorable Chancellor, Dr. D.Y. Patil Vidyapeeth, Pimpri, Pune, I request you to kindly declare the 15th convocation open.
I declare the 15th convocation of Dr. D.Y. Patil University open.
Vice Chancellor, sir, I request you to kindly present the Vidyapeeth report.
The most esteemed chief guest for today's convocation ceremony, respected Sri Ramnath Kovindji, former President of India, Sri S. Somnath, Honorable Chairman, Indian Space Research Organization and Indian Space Commission, and Secretary, Department of Space, Professor Dr. S.B. Majumdar, Honorable Founder and President, Symbiosis Pune, and Chancellor, Symbiosis International, Deemed University Pune, Dr. P.D. Patil, Honorable Chancellor, Dr. D.Y. Patil Vidyapeeth Pune, Dr. Mrs. Bhagyashree Patil, Honorable Pro-Chancellor, Dr. D.Y. Patil Vidyapeeth Pune, Dr. Mrs. Smita Jadhav, Pro-Vice Chancellor, Dr. D.Y. Patil Vidyapeeth Pune, members of the Executive Council and Academic Council, deans of the faculties, distinguished guests, the proud graduates of the day, faculty members, administrative staff of the Vidyapeeth, parents, students, members of the press and media, ladies and gentlemen. I deem it a great privilege and honor to welcome each one of you on behalf of the Vidyapeeth and on my own behalf to this auspicious and solemn occasion of 15th convocation of Dr. D.Y. Patil Vidyapeeth Pune. It is a matter of immense pleasure that Honorable former President of India, Sri Ramnathji Kovind, has graciously accepted our invitation to be the chief guest on this occasion, in spite of his other significant commitments and priorities. He is a visionary leader with modern outlook, an innovative approach, and an able administration who firmly believes that India has the potential to be Vishwaguru, a world leader, and will become Vikashit Bharat at 2047. With his vision, dedication, and under his dynamic leadership, our country has achieved newer heights of success. Sir, I am sure that your convocation address will inspire me, inspire one and all, especially our bright young graduates. We look forward to your guidance and blessings on this auspicious occasion, sir. At the outset, I wholeheartedly congratulate all the graduates, those who have successfully completed their education at this temple of learning and have become eligible to receive the degrees of the Vidyapeeth on this memorable day. Today, a total of 5,326 degrees with 853 undergraduate students, 4,433 postgraduate students, 10 diploma students, and 30 PhD fellows are being awarded after having completed their studies and passed the examinations during this period. Gold medals are being bestowed upon 21 candidates who have secured the highest marks in their respective disciplines. We feel greatly honored to inform you that Doctor of Science honoris causa degrees will be conferred upon Sri Somnath S. and Professor Dr. S.B. Majumdar. DPU has recognized these two icons for their significant contributions towards the development of vibrant India. The invaluable contributions of these two eminent personalities have made them worthy of their reputation, and in fact, they have honored this Vidyapeeth and society at large by accepting the Doctor of Science honoris causa degrees today. Let me share some of the recent achievements and persistent developments that have been crossed by Dr. D.Y. Patil Vidyapeeth Pune since the last convocation, which was held on 14th of August 2023. Dr. D.Y. Patil Vidyapeeth Pune has been accredited under the third cycle by NAAC with a CGPA of 3.64 on 4-point scale at A++ grade. Under the National Institutional Ranking Framework, NIRF 2023, conducted by the Ministry of Education, Government of India, Dr. D.Y. Patil Vidyapeeth Pune has achieved 3rd rank in dental category, 15th rank in medical category, and 46th rank in university category, and 81st rank in overall category in India. Ours is a rapidly upcoming and very vibrant university with a distinct academic and research culture that promotes merit, values, and encourages academic freedom. As a nation of 1.4 billion today, more than two-thirds of the population is in the age group of 15 to 64 years and has made the nation Young India, thus creating a very important human resource asset. The challenge before is to empower this Young India to enable them to contribute not only towards the development of the national economy, but also to the entire world. Therefore, in the light of NEP 2020, our courses and programs have been redesigned to meet the growing needs of the interdisciplinary holistic education, to facilitate academic mobility between the programs and the courses with multiple entry and multiple exit options, to update and modernize curricula, and to encourage introduction of reforms in the evaluation procedure with inclusion of Indian knowledge system. We envisage creating an academic environment of international standards in healthcare education while adopting competency-based curriculum as also integrative approach under the guidance and support of our Honorable Chancellor, Dr. P.D. Patil. He has been very generous with his time and counsel, and we are indeed very grateful to him for his dynamic leadership to our Vidyapeeth. As far as research is concerned, the university can grow exponentially only when teaching and research are combined symbiotically, as they cannot have independent existence. I feel proud to state that the year 2023, DPU has published more than 1,300 research papers in national and international journals of repute, which are indexed in Scopus, PubMed, Web of Science, and UGC CARE approved journals. There has been a significant rise in the H-index from 63 to 71, indicating translational value and higher citations received by individual publications. A total number of 17,129 citations have been received alone in the year 2023. The highest impact factor of the research article published in a journal is the Lancet, which is 168.9, and British Medical Journal, which is 107.7. I am also proud to state that this year, 35 patents have been published by DPU, 7 patents have been granted, and 2 startups have been incubated. Research is impossible without funding. DPU has always been supporting research activities and has provided seed money of more than 1 CR during the year. In addition, this year our university has received a total extramural grant of 6.3 crores from DBT, DST, ICMR, Ayush, CCRAS, BIRAC, pharma industries, and foreign agencies like NIH USA. The collaborations with the international organizations, also we are not behind. Several MOUs and collaborative agreements with institutes of repute worldwide we have already made. Through these strategic alliances, we prioritize international research collaborations, recognizing their pivotal role in advancement of knowledge, that tackling the global challenges. The exchange of ideas, methodologies, and data within these partnerships fosters groundbreaking discoveries and mutual learning, while also strengthening scientific network and encouraging a shared commitment to pushing the boundaries of human understanding. Our faculty and students, they participate in all the international conferences. The faculty and students have actively participated in these conferences, fostering a vibrant exchange of knowledge and ideas on a global platform. About 111 faculty members and students participated and presented papers and posters at various international conferences last year. Similarly, DPU consistently organizes a wide range of conferences, seminars, and workshops catering to the diverse academic interests and needs. Since the last convocation, DPU has organized more than 142 conferences, seminars, symposia, as well as workshops, CMEs, webinars, and faculty development programs. There is a lot of contribution that is made by our faculty members. The outstanding contributions of the faculty members, we have taken a serious note of it. We take immense pride in our exceptional faculty, who are a true asset to our institution. With the combined efforts of students, faculty, staff, and alumni, we strive to transform this educational institute into a world-class university. Over 215 faculty members have received prestigious awards and recognitions, and they have also been invited as resource persons, panelists, and judges for various international and national conferences. Our students also do not lag behind in terms of various achievements. I cannot exhaustively list out all the laurels earned by you, my dear DPU students. But it is my hope and dream that these are small steps to a bigger achievements that await you in your life. We have implemented innovative concept of making learning more effective and participative by introducing concepts like experimental, integrated, interdisciplinary, participatory, problem-solving, self-directed, patient-centric, evidence-based, project-based, and role-play methods to enable them to acquire overall understanding of the subject. Moreover, DPU students actively engage in national and international conferences, presenting papers and posters, and have excelled in intercollegiate sports competitions, with 109 students securing prizes since the last convocation, sir. Social outreach, we also pay a lot of attention to. Dr. D.Y. Patil Medical College has most modern super specialty hospital with world-class infrastructure consisting of more than 2,011 beds, 62 wards, then 23 OPDs, 175 ICU beds, 32 modular operation theaters, 64 private rooms, 25 dialysis units, and 2 cath labs. All our hospitals are NABH accredited, including medical, Ayurveda, dental, as well as homeopathy. All our laboratories, they are all NABL accredited, which is also approved by the Quality Council of India. Patient diets and medicines are provided free of cost for IPD patients. A total of 350 life-saving organ transplants were completed, which include renal, liver, heart and lung, kidney and pancreas, liver and kidney, and corneal transplants. The dental college and hospital has catered to the thousands of the patients through mobile dental services, satellite centers at Alandi, Eroda Jail, Kamset, Savitribai Phule Pune University, amongst others. Health awareness education has been provided to the community, which includes school children, tobacco addicts, and public through outreach program. College of Ayurveda Hospital and Research Center has organized more than 59 health camps, which have provided health services to more than 7,800 patients. Nursing students also participate in the National Pulse Polio Immunization Program, under which students gave polio doses and visited homes in the PCMC areas. Students of all constituent units of Dr. D.Y. Patil Vidyapith celebrate all the national days and conducted various activities like health checkup camps, awareness programs, exhibitions, street plays, essay competitions, rallies, blood donation drives, organ donation awareness drives in rural areas. Also, all constituent units participate in the government flagship programs like Viksit Bharat Act 2047, Swachh Bharat Mission, Swachhata Hi Seva Campaign, Unnat Bharat Abhiyan, etc. DPU has always endeavored to deliver quality education in globally benchmarked learning environment through modern amphitheater-styled air-conditioned classrooms, high-tech labs, and libraries. Not only has the physical infrastructure been extensively modernized, but the facilities and equipment have also been improved at a faster pace. All constituent units have spacious college building, state-of-the-art infrastructure, well-equipped laboratories, well-planned lecture halls with audio-visual facilities, auditoriums, and well-designed administrative offices, which are over and above the norms which are set by the concerned regulatory councils. Before I close, I would like my faculty and staff to join me in congratulating all the students who will be graduating today from DPU. I'm confident that students, you were able to imbibe the best of what DPU had to offer, and that you will use your knowledge and experience fruitfully to serve the people of this country and those elsewhere. Set your goals higher and glory will belong to you. Success has only one amazing formula. Stop thinking in terms of limitations and start thinking in terms of possibilities. I wish you all very best in your lives. both professional and personal. As you move forward in your life, do not forget the contributions that your family, your teachers, and your communities have made to your lives. Do remain connected with your alma mater. Visit us whenever you want to revive some of your fine moments. I urge you to remain worthy ambassadors and great alumni of this distinguished Vidyapit by upholding the virtues of honor and excellence in service to the society around you and beyond. Thank you very much. May I now request Honorable Chancellor Dr. D.Y. Patil Vidyapit Pimpri Pune to kindly felicitate the chief guest, Sri Ramnath Kovindji, Honorable former President of India. I request Honorable Chancellor Dr. D.Y. Patil Vidyapit Pimpri Pune to kindly felicitate Sri Somnath S., Chairman, Indian Space Research Organization, Bangalore. I request Honorable Chancellor Dr. D.Y. Patil Vidyapit Pune to kindly felicitate Professor Dr. S.B. Muzumdar, Founder and President Symbiosis Pune and Chancellor Symbiosis International, Deemed University Pune.
Thank you very much, sir, for the felicitations. Ladies and gentlemen, the deans of the respective faculties will now present all the candidates who qualify themselves for the degrees and diplomas in their respective faculties. The Dean of the Faculty of Medicine, Dr. J.S. Bhavarkar, students of the Faculty of Medicine shall rise. Students of the Faculty of Medicine shall rise.
Honorable Chancellor, Dr. D.Y. Patil Vidyapit, Pimpri, Pune, I present before you the students who have been declared to have passed Doctor of Philosophy, PhD, Magister of Chirurgy, MCH, Neurosurgery, MCH, Urology, Doctor of Medicine, DM Cardiology, DM Neurology, DM Nephrology, Doctor of Medicine, MD, Master of Surgery, MS, Bachelor of Medicine and Bachelor of Surgery MBBS examinations and who have registered for this convocation and who are present here, and also those who have been permitted to remain absent.
The alumni of the Faculty of Medicine shall take their seats. The Dean of the Faculty of Dentistry, Dr. D. Gopalakrishnan, students of the Faculty of Dentistry shall rise.
Honorable Chancellor, Dr. D.Y. Patil Vidyapeeth, Pimpri, Pune, I present before you the students who have been declared to have passed Doctor of Philosophy, PhD, Master of Dental Surgery, MDS, Bachelor of Dental Surgery, BDS, Diploma in Dental Mechanics examinations, and who have registered for this convocation and who are present here, and also those who have been permitted to remain absent.
The alumni of the Faculty of Dentistry shall take their seat. The Dean of the Faculty of Science and Technology, Dr. Neelu Navani, students of the Faculty of Science and Technology shall rise.
Honorable Chancellor, Dr. D.Y. Patil Vidyapeeth, Pimpri, Pune, I present before you the students who have been declared to have passed Doctor of Philosophy, PhD, Bachelor of Technology in Medical Biotechnology examinations, and who have registered for this convocation and who are present here, and also those who have been permitted to remain absent.
The alumni of the Faculty of Science and Technology shall take their seats. The Dean of the Faculty of Management, Dr. Chetan Chaudhary, students of the Faculty of Management shall rise.
Honorable Chancellor, Dr. D.Y. Patil Vidyapeeth, Pune, I present before you the students who have been declared to have passed Doctor of Philosophy, PhD, Master of Business Administration, MBA, Bachelor of Business Administration, BBA, Master of Business Administration, MBA online mode, Bachelor of Business Administration, BBA distance examinations, and who have registered for this convocation and who are present here, and also those who have been permitted to remain absent.
The alumni of the Faculty of Management shall take their seats. The Dean of the Faculty of Allied Health Sciences, Dr. Tushar Palekar, students of the Faculty of Allied Medical Sciences shall rise.
Honorable Chancellor, Dr. D.Y. Patil Vidyapeeth, Pimpri, Pune, I present before you the students who have been declared to have passed Doctor of Philosophy, PhD, Master of Physiotherapy, MPT, Bachelor of Physiotherapy, BPT, Bachelor of Clinical Optometry, BOPTOM examinations, and who have registered for this convocation and who are present here, and also those who have been permitted to remain absent.
The alumni of the Faculty of Allied Health Sciences shall take their seats. The Dean of the Faculty of Nursing, Dr. Khurshid Jamadar, students of the Faculty of Nursing shall rise.
Honorable Chancellor, Dr. D.Y. Patil Vidyapeeth, Pimpri, Pune, I present before you the students who have been declared to have passed Master of Science in Nursing, MSc Nursing, Bachelor of Science in Nursing, BSc Nursing, Post-Basic Bachelor of Science in Nursing, PBBSc Nursing examinations, and who have registered for this convocation and who are present here, and also those who have been permitted to remain absent.
The alumni of the Faculty of Nursing shall take their seats. The Dean of the Faculty of Ayurveda, Dr. G.H. Yaula, students of the Faculty of Ayurveda shall rise.
Honorable Chancellor, Dr. D.Y. Patil Vidyapeeth, Pimpri, Pune, I present before you the students who have been declared to have passed Ayurved Vachaspati, MD Ayurved, Ayurved Dhanvantari, MS Ayurved, Ayurvedacharya, Bachelor of Ayurvedic Medicine and Surgery, BAMS, and Diploma in Yoga examination and who have registered for this convocation and who are present here, and also those who have been permitted remain absent.
The alumni of the Faculty of Ayurveda shall take their seats. The Dean of the Faculty of Homeopathy, Dr. D.B. Sharma, students of the Faculty of Homeopathy shall rise.
Honorable Chancellor, Dr. D.Y. Patil Vidyapeeth, Pimpri, Pune, I present before you the students who have been declared to have passed Doctor of Medicine in Homeopathy, MD Home, Bachelor of Homeopathic Medicine and Surgery, BHMS examinations, and who have registered for this convocation and who are present here, and also those who have been permitted to remain absent.
The alumni of the Faculty of Homeopathy shall take their seats. I would now like to invite Registrar Dr. Narendra Kadu, sir.
The alumni of all the faculties will arise and remain standing till the Honorable Chancellor confers the degrees and diploma, followed by exhortation. The alumni will be seated only after Honorable Chancellor Dr. D.Y. Patil Vidyapeeth, Pimpri, Pune takes his seat after delivering exhortation.
By virtue of authority vested with me as the Chancellor of this Vidyapeeth, I hereby declare that all the candidates who are present here and those who are permitted to remain absent are admitted to the respective degrees and diplomas as proposed by the respective deans of the faculties.
Honorable Chancellor Dr. D.Y. Patil Vidyapeeth, Pimpri, Pune, I request you to kindly deliver the exhortation.
The advice in the following words of persons with wisdom. Remember these words and act in accordance with them. Satyam Vada.
Speak the truth.
Dharmam Chara.
Act in accordance with morality.
Swadhyayan ma pramadaha.
Do not deviate from learning.
Satyan na pramattavyam.
You should not deviate from truth.
Dharman na pramattavyam.
You should not deviate from duties.
Kushalan na pramattavyam.
You should not neglect mental and moral welfare.
Bhuttei na pramattavyam.
You should not neglect material prosperity.
Swadhyaya pravachanabhyam na pramattavyam.
You should not neglect learning and teaching.
Matru Devo Bhava.
Revere your mother as God.
Pitru Devo Bhava.
Revere your father as God.
Acharya Devo Bhava.
Revere your teacher as God.
Rashtra Devo Bhava.
Revere your nation as God.
Yani anvadhyani karmani tani tvaya sevitavyani no itrani.
You should practice only those actions that are blameless and not others.
Yani asmakam sucharitani tani tvaya upasyani.
You should respect and follow only the noble deeds performed by us.
Esha adeshaha.
This is the instruction.
Esha updeshaha.
This is the teaching.
Evam anushasanam.
This is the exhortation.
Evam upasitavyam.
You should respect and follow this.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir. The alumni, kindly take your seat. Thank you, sir, for the exhortation.
May I now request Sri Ramnath Kovind ji, Honorable former President of India, and Dr. P.D. Patil, Honorable Chancellor Dr. D.Y. Patil Vidyapeeth, Pune, to kindly award the gold medals to the recipients.
Ladies and gentlemen, now the Vidyapeeth Gold Medal will be awarded to the students standing first in their respective faculties and subjects. Bachelor of Medicine and Bachelor of Surgery, MBBS examination, Redkar Divya Narendra Kumar. Super Specialities examination in MCS Urology subject, Prabhav Agarwal. Postgraduate medical degree examination in respiratory medicine, Aditya Vivek Sundar. Postgraduate medical degree examination in anesthesiology, Board Afreen Shamsuddin. Postgraduate medical degree examination in general medicine, Nikhila Avinash Fadnis. Postgraduate medical degree examination in general surgery, Arigela Abhinav. Bachelor of Dental Surgery examination, Prashit Upadhyay. Master of Dental Surgery examination, Mariam Paulos. Master of Business Administration, MBA, online mode examination, batch of July 2021, Muhammad Shahnawaz Khan. Master of Business Administration, MBA online mode examination, batch of January 2022, Gan Rutuja Kiran. Bachelor of Physiotherapy examination, Karanjia Kimberly Catherine. Ladies and gentlemen, the Vidyapeeth Gold Medal in memory of Professor K.B. Pawar for the student standing first at Master of Physiotherapy goes to Desai Mitsu Jigisha. Bachelor of Clinical Optometry, B. Optom Examination, Drishti Jain. Bachelor of Science in Nursing, BAc Nursing Examination, Bhagwat Tejal Rajendra. Post Basic Bachelor of Science in Nursing, PB BAc Nursing Examination, Gadhari Yogita Rajesh. Master of Science in Nursing, MSc Nursing, Bhathe Aboli Manohar. Bachelor of Ayurvedic Medicine and Surgery, BAMS, Gondharekar Bhavika Sachin. MD MS Ayurved in MD Agad Tantra, Masal Aishwarya Gajanan. Bachelor of Homeopathy Medicine and Surgery, BHMS Examination, Yadav Simran Harbhavan. MD Homeopathy in Repertory Examination, Vatkar Siddhi Vaibhav. Thank you very much, all the honorable dignitaries, for awarding the gold medal. Thank you so much.